Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you an interesting feature of Microsoft Excel. And I can assure you that you never seen this feature in any other tutorial as well as in any course. So without further delay, hit the like button and watch the video till the end. Guys, if you want to learn Excel from the scratch, then we have a dedicated playlist. 5,000 plus people already visits that. So don't forget to check out our playlist on Advanced Excel for visually impaired. And we have more than 30 videos on Excel. So learn Excel from today. Today we are going to talk about a feature called name definings, or you can also call it name manager. So the feature I'm talking about is name definings. What is name definings? Name definings is used to define a name for your data. Here are three ways to use it. Number one, you can name your data or data range. Number two, you can name a particular formula which you have to regularly use. Number three, you can name a particular value which you want to use regularly. We will show you in this three ways, so don't skip any part of this video. Before starting, guys, we have an important announcement for you. We are gonna organizing a 3 days audio editing workshop where I will teach you how you can edit your audios from scratch, and all is using a keyboard and keyboard friendly software called Goldwave. If you're interested, check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channel for the registration. The workshop is available at your pocket friendly budget and with a participation certificate. So don't forget to check out that link on our official WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Visit the video description to join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel now. We have a data here. So this is a data where we have
employee number A1,
employee number, employee name,
gender C1,
gender,
designation D1,
designation,
depart,
and so many things. So guys, if I'm going to the next sheet,
sheet 2,
here I have applied the VLOOKUP.
Data not found as formula.
It is showing data
D2,
not found,
name D1,
name
ID
and ID.
A2.
So below ID in A2 I should write the ID. Now we have employee ID from 1001 to 1026. Now what I want is, I want to create a drop down list of all the IDs which contains all the IDs. What I can do, I can directly here go to the data validation tab and choose list, and then I type 1001, 1002, 1003, etc, etc, etc. But instead of this, what if I want to give this range a name and then use it here? Is it possible? So let me show you how to do it.
Sheet 1, designation D.
So see,
1001 2.
So from here our employee name is started. So let me select the range of employee names available.
A2 1000. Analysis lens win.
Activate the name manager. To activate the name manager or name defining tool or dialog box, press Alt M followed by N. Alt M Mumbai N NASA.
Payroll executive ribbon, name manager dialog list,
and just press tab until you hear a new button.
List, new button, list, new name dialog, name, edit.
Enter the name which you want to give. So here I want to give the name IDS, IDS. Then I press tab.
ID, name, IDS.
Okay, this is the name.
New name dialog, scope, combo box, workbook, alt.
So scope, in this combo box you will find workbook or and all other sheets available in the workbook. If you choose workbook, you can apply this name anywhere in the workbook with no matter where you are in this particular workbook. Okay,
comment, edit alt plus
Comment, if you want to write any note, you can write.
refers to, edit alt plus
Refers
R
to,
blank.
here we actually need to give the range which we already selected earlier.
New name dialog, OK button.
So to
Refers-
check whether the
Num lock
it
off.
is properly renamed or not, you can check
Top,
it.
blank, bottom, bottom, top, line feed,
So
right, line feed.
just let me show you.
refers to, alt plus R. Refers to, edit alt plus R blank. OK button. Refers to, edit alt plus R blank. Refers to, alt plus R. Screen review equals sheet $1 to Australian dollars colon $26 Australian dollars. Refers to, edit alt plus R blank.
So if you use your
Refers-
screen review cursor, then you can read
New
this.
name dialog.
Okay,
OK
then click
button.
on OK button.
Name manager.
So once you click on OK button, the name is created. And here you can check it out.
Column IDS value 1001, 1002, 1003.
See, all the values are now created as a name. I mean, together in a name.
Payroll.
Now I just press escape to come out of this dialog box and go to the sheet 2.
Sheet 2 IDA 1.
And below ID,
2.
I will apply the data validation.
Data tab control. Allow decimal list.
So after list, I'm pressing tab again.
Source edit alt plus S.
In source, generally we type the options and separate that using comma. Now here, instead of writing the options, I just type equal sign and the name of the data range, IDS, and press tab and click here on OK
I
button.
hit clear all OK button. Payroll executive.
And now see,
Submenu A2.
the submenu is created. So let me expand the submenu.
List 1001 1 of 25. 1002 to 1003 3 of 20.
So let me press enter here.
Payroll IDA 1 1003
1003.
submenu. Lakshman Murthy as formula overflowing B.
See, the data is fetched.
1000.
So this is one use case of name manager or name definers. We will move to the next, but before that, guys, if you are interested to learn basic to advanced computer with special assistance, you can learn it from V.I Tech Academy. For more details, check out our website from the about page of our YouTube channel. Next, guys, we have one mark sheet with us.
Total
So
G.
this is the mark sheet where we have
Name
name
A1.
and then some subjects,
Inc. Math Computer D. Geography History F. Total G1.
then total. Below total, we need to
G2
write the
Radu.
data. I mean, we need to write the calculations. So after each marks, after each subject, we have marks. And now here we need to write the formula equals sum, etc. etc. Instead of writing the formula here, what I should write here?
6 G2 total.
See, G2, so which means B2 to F2, B, C, D, E, F, B, C, D, E, F, yeah, 5 subjects. So from B2 to F2 we have data which we need to calculate. Now instead of typing every time in this sheet, we can create a name for that formula. To do that, simple, go to the name manager
Name manager dialog.
and click a new,
Refers name manager dialog. List. New but list new name dialog.
give it a name. So I'm giving get total, GETTOTAL. See,
Name edit focus alt plus N get total.
get total. Okay, so I'm pressing tab.
Get total new name dialog. Scope.
I'm
Combo
keeping
box
is
workbook alt.
workbook as scope,
Comment edit alt plus refers to edit alt
and
plus
in
R.
refers to box I just type the exact
Speak type care
formula
equals.
equals sum,
SUM. Right parent.
left parent, right parent.
Line feed.
Sorry,
So
here
the
you
line
cannot
sick
edit,
hour.
so
Line feed equals.
I need to type it again. Just let me do it again.
Define sheet list new edit new but lit new name dialog name edit GETTOTAL get total new name comment edit refers to edit alt plus R blank
So I type
equals
equals
SUM
sum,
MUSUM sum left parent
left parent B2 colon
B2 colon
F2
F2 F2 right parent
right parent,
new name dialog OK button
then click on OK button.
name manager
And now it is successfully.
mark sheet
Now what I do is
G1 G2 Raju
in G2 I just simply type
edit blank equals
get total equals get total.
Gamma 1 sheet 1 take 374 as formula G2 Raju.
The result is calculated. Okay, so this is another use case. Now before moving to the third use case, guys, if you are interested to design website but do not interested in coding, then learning WordPress is the best choice for you. And we have the course on WordPress. And the good news is, we will start the next batch in September 2025. For more details, check out our website and register today. So guys, for the next one, I just click create another book. So let's say here I have each item, their price and their GST. So I just type item,
sheet item B1,
then MRP,
C1,
then let's say GST,
sheet GST C1 D1,
and then let's say type total price. Okay, I mean after adding the GST.
edit TOTAL sheet grand total. GS grand total D MRP B1 item.
So let's say I just type some product's name here, or I can skip it blank. So let's say I just type smart
AR TEAE sheet smart B2,
and
MRP
here
B1
MRP
num lock off, num lock on.
I just type 10,000 10,000
CGST C2,
and here instead of writing the total like GSTs and all these things, I know that 18% GST we require, maybe. Okay, so I can just do this. I can create a formula where I put that 18 as a value and I can name it. So what I do is I just go to the name manager, click on new,
filter list, name manager dialog, list, new button, list, new name dialog,
and here
name,
I just type,
plus
let's say GST,
new name dialog,
and here I just type the value.
Edit alt plus refers to,
In refers to,
num lock on.
I just type the value 18.
18, OK button,
and click on OK button.
Name man book 1 10 C2.
Now here
C2.
what I will write, 12% GST. So what could be the GST for this? I can
C2.
write in this way, equals B2
num lock on, B2 star
GST slash 100. Enter.
Sheet 1 1800 has formula C2.
So this is the GST, and now
grand total D2.
Under grand total, if I want, I can create another formula for grand total also. I can easily do this whatever I want. So whatever you want, you can use. You can do using this name defining or name managers formula. Guys, I hope you learn a lot of things from this video. If you find this content very useful, don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to share your experience into the comment section. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comment section, or you can join our WhatsApp group from the contact us page of our website. That's it guys for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.